best 1Password affiliate program review usage experience. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a detailed review of the 1Password affiliate program. If you're interested in promoting a secure and trusted password manager, you've come to the right place. All the necessary links and resources are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. 1Password is one of the leading password managers on the market, offering top-tier security and features such as end-to-end encryption, password storage, and the ability to manage credit cards, documents, and other sensitive data. As an affiliate, you're promoting a product that customers can rely on to keep their information safe, which gives you the confidence to recommend it to your audience. The 1Password affiliate program is an excellent opportunity for anyone in the security, privacy, or tech niche. Affiliates can earn competitive commissions with up to $70 per sale and enjoy the benefit of recurring commissions. Since 1Password offers subscription-based services for individuals, families, and businesses, you'll be able to earn recurring revenue as long as the referred customer stays subscribed. This program is particularly great because password management is a growing concern, meaning that 1Password is always in demand. The program's affiliate dashboard is intuitive, giving you all the tools you need to succeed, from trackable links to high-quality banners and creatives. You can track your referrals, clicks, and sales in real time, making it easier to optimize your marketing efforts and maximize your earnings. It's an excellent tool for beginners, as well as more experienced marketers. 1Password is designed for individuals, families, and businesses who want to manage passwords securely and efficiently. Given its user-friendly interface, strong security protocols, and reputation, it's easy to see why the program works well for affiliates looking to promote a trusted brand. To sum up, if you're looking for a reliable, high-paying affiliate program in the password management space, the 1Password affiliate program is an outstanding choice. With a great commission structure, the ability to earn recurring revenue, and a product that's always in demand, it offers everything you need to start earning. Don't forget to check the description for sign-up links and other resources to get started today.